My name's Alan Hart and today we're at a Viessmann that's been badly installed. So this is the same installer that installed the last one that we've seen. So if you have a look in my other videos of a badly installed Viessmann. So on this one they've done condensate in copper, and the condensate has actually corroded away, and then it's caused some damage. It's caused some flooding on the ceiling below here, which I'll show you in a minute. So now we're just going to try and update the condensate on this. If you like our videos, please subscribe and also give us a like and add some comments below. So this copper pipe has been used as the condensate pipe, so it just shows importance not to use copper for a condensate pipe. It's actually rotted away, and when it's rotted away, just Mackie there, say hello Mackie.
Hello Mackie.
So that were connected on there, and that's your condensate. And if you have a look here, it's all leaks through. So it's a right mess. So the installer had used copper for the condensate pipe, and we all know what happens to copper when you use it as a condensate pipe. It just rots away. So it is a bit of an awkward one for us to update this. So we've had to chop wall out there because we can't get pipes down any other way. So we're going to chop wall out, well we have chopped wall out, and then put pipe down in wall. And then we'll just drill the pilot hole here. I'll just show you where that comes out. So that pilot hole comes out there into the garage. And then all we've got to do is get a pipe down here, and there's a sour pipe there, so we're going to get an adapter for that. So we're just updating this condensate now. We're going to put the pipe down there, down the stud wall. And then we've got to chop wall out here so we can get it in, and then down into the garage. So I'm going to get some plaster and we're going to plaster that back up best we can. But it's just trying to make the best of a bad situation really. So we just brought that through from inside the house into the garage. Not just quite finished yet, but so all we've done there, we've just put a new pipe in, connect it into the mains, and alter that pipe right there. Put customer air washing machine trap on. Just going to put a clip on there in a minute. So we've also had to flush this one out as well, like the previous one. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Badly installed Viessmann.